Hello, my name is Lucky Schmidt, and I am going to be presenting my presentation today on Iceland and its geological history. Let's start out with, where is Iceland? Well, Iceland is in the North Atlantic Ocean. Just to give you a range as to how big it is 40,000 square miles. Iceland primarily exists because a volcano erupted and created two tectonic plates to split. Each of these plates have a different name. One is Eurasian and one is American. Currently, the split that is in the middle of Iceland is continuing to spread apart, and it becomes slowly wider every year by 5 centimeters. Next, we're going to discuss, what is Iceland made of? Well, it's technically just made out of hardened lava, which is basalt. Due to the volcanoes and their active eruptions on Iceland, this was probably the coolest part of researching Iceland. This shows one of the most recent active volcanoes on the surface. The magma is slowly coming down, and there is a row of many people that have the guts to stand there right next to the hot lava. The picture is just really pretty to me, and it was cool that, people could be there to view it actually happening in real life. Scientists know that the plates on Iceland are still spreading apart because there is visible breaks in the land, and there's divers that will dive right through them. I don't know how to pronounce this volcano specifically. It's Reykjavik. It is the latest eruption in Iceland, and it's been going on for 50 years, the eruption. What is Iceland like today? There are always earthquakes because the tectonic plates are still moving. And like I said in the last slide, there's water flow between the separated land masses, which is actually intriguing to some divers. What will happen to Iceland in the future? Well, the tectonic plates so far, from what scientists can predict, they are still going to move apart. The climate changes over there are kind of, affecting residency over there, the level of water. It's rising 1.4 inches per year. There are attractions in Iceland that intrigue people to visit there, and it could be affected by these climate changes. Future Iceland will, like I said before, split completely into two different pieces of land. And that is the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and I hope to watch others. All right, thanks so much.